Now that we have our bowl of dry ingredients and our bowl of eggs, milk, and oil, we're going to combine the two. You just want to pour in a steady stream, mixing in the dry ingredients. Now you'll notice that I'm using a wooden spoon. I find for anything which needs to be combined, like cornbread or muffins, a wooden spoon works the best. You don't need to have it super mixed. You're not beating the ingredients together once you have the eggs beaten. You just want something that's going to stir it without incorporating too much air. Now, if you were making a cake, then you would be using a wire whisk instead. But for something like this, where it doesn't have to be completely uniformly mixed, a wooden spoon works just fine. Another wonderful thing about cooking with wooden spoons is that if you're cooking something over the stove, you don't have to worry about the handle getting hot. You can see this is almost completely mixed up. There's still some small lumps, but as long as there aren't any large lumps, then you're fine.